Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to go live on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now we are going to know how to go live on TikTok. Click on the app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the plus mark and first of all, before going to live, you have to keep in it mind that two categories are necessary to go live on TikTok. One is that you should be above 16 of age, and the second one, you must have 1k above followers on your TikTok account. Then there, if you have 1k or more than 1k followers, then you will see option camera template, and after template live. I don't have too much followers, that's why I have no option of live, and you have to select that option which will appear in your phone after that you have 1k or more than 1k followers. And then you will add caption why at which time you are online and live and whatever. After that you select who can see you live. You can select by your own choice, your friends, your followers, and that was the whole procedure. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you so much.